Hello and welcome. So I've got something exciting for this treasure hunting Tuesday here today. I wanted to do this a long time ago and time got away from me and stuff happens, you know how it is. So today I want to print all of these beautiful leaf prints on these different colored papers, and I just went ahead and chose black and white for sure because I want to do white on black and black on white. Of course, they complement each other so beautifully. And then I wanted to do an array of some really muted down earth tones, and then I went ahead and added some grays and a little bit of bluish turquoise, and then a couple sheets of red. So I've got my big black and white, and then I've got iridescent bronze. Can't get my bottle to close, very frustrating. And then quinacridone nickel azo gold, Titan buff, folk art pure gold, black, white, and then let me move these. I just grabbed a bunch, and I really, you guys know me, I really love the earthy palettes. So then I've got folk art linen, folk art skyline, Anita's espresso bean, deco art Prussian blue, forest moss by folk art, deco art evergreen, and last but not least, deco art zinc. So I went ahead and put some tape down, and you might want to do this just to accommodate my 8.5 by 11 inch paper here. And then when I have this over it, I'll know exactly how far I can put my leaves. So that's why I set this up this way. So now one more thing I'd like to go over. I always use my 8 by 10 jelly plate for a palette. I just find that it works the best and the easiest. And then of course I've got my brayer here, and then leaves. Now I'm in Colorado, so it's the end of the season here for me, and then whatever I don't use today, I've got quite a nice little selection of leaves here, and whatever I don't use I'm gonna freeze, but I have to use all of my grapevine leaves. That's these here. They have the best veining. When you're looking for leaves to do this, you want to find really deep veins. Aspen leaves don't work at all on this finish for me. But these grapevine leaves, unfortunately, they have the best veining, but when you freeze them, they are so hard to work with after you've thawed them out. They're just really limp. They're like kind of like rotten spinach, you know what I mean? It just is terrible. But you can find some leaves like these. I think these are oak, and these hold up beautifully in the freezer, and so do maple. I'm pretty sure I've got that right. But these hold up beautifully, so if you can find really strong leaves with really good veins, those are the ones that freeze the best. Anything real fragile or thin, you're just gonna get headaches over it. So I wanted to spare you the trouble of that.